What's up YouTube? Welcome to another freaking video. So the best thing I decided to do last night or today morning after coming back from work was go to sleep directly, and once I wake up I'll be able to have plenty of time to get to the gym, shoot this video, cook my food even for work, and get ready and just show up on time on a regular basis. So this is something that I'm going to be incorporating. Hopefully I'll be able to get this done. If not, how fucking shameful would that be? So yeah, today we're going to be hitting back and biceps because I really need those biceps and the bicep peak, and that is what we will be training for today. So without wasting any further time, let's get to the gym and get that workout in. Guys, I would not say it was an amazing workout because people kept coming in my way when I was shooting, and my battery is about to die. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this, and then we'll get back to this vlog.
One eternity later.
Holy shit, guys, change of scenery. So I am back home because I had like 6 days off. I took an entire week off, so that's why I'm back home. Just to fill you guys in, I just went shopping, and I'm gonna do the unboxing in a few minutes, and I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what I got. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, let's do the unboxing. First I want to be showing you guys the first thing that I got so that I can switch the view, and I'm gonna be showing the rest of the things on that specific mount. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this POV neckband, and I'm gonna be switching the angle in right about 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, let's get into this review. So this was the smartphone magnetic neck holder, again a POV shooting equipment. It's a really good equipment for specifically people who really like to shoot video in a POV sequence, and this is a band for protection so that I can stick it right somewhere around here or somewhere. I'm gonna have to check that. We've got a manual. We also have a cleaning cloth and wet wipes. We also have an additional magnetic ring which can be used in case if you're using a freaking iPhone case or any Android device case as well. You can just stick it inside the case and use it as a MagSafe connector for this mount. I also went on a shopping spree, and I'm going to be showing you guys the clothes in the upcoming videos as a fashion sequence. I also got a tripod. It had been a really long time since I had to, upgrade my equipment. So I went ahead. I've used my previous tripod for about 3 years now, and I wanted to get something more heavy duty. So this is the tripod I chose, Digitech. It is DTR 520BH. So far, I've really enjoyed quality of this tripod. I just wanted to, get a travel tripod specifically so that it could have been extended to a much more wider area or the length. And I'm going to be showing you guys right now, unboxing it for you guys again. But I like to keep things really packed. So yeah. So this is the tripod. Again, this main thing is it's really freaking heavy. And the main part is it's an aluminum alloy. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how freaking high this thing can go. This is the tripod. Again, let me go ahead and quickly extend these arms. Again, this can carry up to 7.5 or 8 kgs of weight. I mean, the only downside of this tripod is just the weight. It just carries a lot of weight. So people who are traveling, it might be inconvenient for them to carry this around. See how lengthy it is. It's like above my height as well. And get this. This can also increase more. Let me quickly see how I'll actually get that done. Yes, there we have it. A little far. So this is the tripod, and that's how high it can be. It's like way higher than my height, and that's the thing I like about this. And if you want, you can also attach a camera to this, and I want to be also showing you guys another angle. So let's see this, and this is how you can change the arm of this. And also, wait, there we have it. We tighten this, and once we go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and decrease the height like this and just move this around for a really amazing smooth transition. That's the thing I really like about this. And another thing, okay, right, so this is the thing. So this is how you can move this around. So all in all, I would like really give this 10 on 10 tripod. And another good thing about this is you guys can also make this into a monopod. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and show you guys this. So you just unscrew it from this place, and then you unscrew this from right here. There you have it. You have disconnected this entire thing. Now I will also go ahead and I'm gonna be unscrewing this. There we go. So we have this unscrewed. It feels weird to say we unscrewed this thing, right? And yes, there we have it. This is how we reconnect this using the extender that we got. Let me quickly go ahead and show you this thing. We also have got this L key to tighten the extensions. Now what we do is we use this screw to screw it here, and then there we got it. Now this is how we use it as a monopod. Now so you attach the device here, and you can just directly get a smooth shot right like this and like this, right? So this is a monopod, and now I'm going to be just wrapping this up because I really have to go to sleep. Alright guys, so I finally got that thing to unscrew from this part, and this is the part main thing is I did not get the manual, so I'm gonna have to call the main person and get a manual digitally, so because I can't go back to the freaking shop. All in all, pretty amazing. Alright guys, so I got that thing to wrap up, and this is how I freaking look with this band on. And again, I believe I'm way past getting stuck on people's judgments, like how I freaking look, what I'm actually doing. So yeah, I mean, that's not something that I'm going to be facing challenges with. And yeah, I mean, so everyone else is asleep, and let me quickly show you guys how this freaking, how do you actually you just slap it on this freaking thing right like this, and we are into the filming mode. And you know, we have a hands-free experience of filming. I believe you might have also seen the video or the movie named as Hardcore Henry. The entire movie is just, you know, shot like this. So the person running and, you know, fighting like boom, boom, boom. I guess I have a lot of projects in my mind to film for you guys and get into some kind of storytelling. So yeah, I'm going ahead and getting some classes regarding the same thing. So hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to your YouTube channel already, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Peace out.